Hi, I'm Nicky from Intelligent Systems.
And I'm Michael.
We are outside our office building here in Helsund to present that we are really excited about the new releases of our open standard integration interfaces and open reference architecture for smart production. Michael, what is that all about?
The intention is to create a vendor and protocol agnostic interface. So the same interface can be used by different vendors or with different protocols.
As I've understood, there are a number of interfaces, both for connecting to IT systems and for different kinds of robot solutions.
Yeah, the interfaces are for various types of equipment. And the idea is to make the different equipment plug and play in the system so that you can take one system out and replace it with a newer one without having to do some software changes.
So there are standard interfaces for connecting AMR fleets and production robot cells.
Yes, the interfaces are meant to increase portability between the cells so that you can use the cells in whichever system you need.
Okay. And these interfaces are published and open and free to use?
Yes.
Free like in free beer?
Yeah, absolutely free.
Absolutely great. Go into our website and download them.
Yeah.